Hello viewers, you are welcome to today's lesson and Den of Knowledge. My name is Boniface Samson and today we'll be discussing weight in mathematics for basic 3. Weight, that's our topic. Weight in mathematics for basic 3. What is weight? Weight is the heaviness or lightness of an object. Weight is the heaviness or lightness of an object. This is light. I am heavy. That is weight. Heaviness or lightness of an object. Now the standard unit, that is SI units for measuring weight of weight, SI unit of weight are just 2. Okay, let's put it here. We have grams, known as G, and kilograms. Kilograms, known as kg. Grams and kilograms. That is the standard units for measuring weight. Grams, and kilograms. Now, what was the relationship between grams and kilograms? 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. 1,000 kg is equal to 1 kilogram. How will you know? Remember, any object has a weight. Any object has a weight. Even this paper, any object has its weight. Even this paper. Now, if I have something like this, 5,000 grams, what will it be in kilogram? 5,000 grams. Since 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram, that means any number that falls into the place value of 1,000, this is unit, tens, 100 and 1,000. 1,000, 100, tens and units. Any number that falls into 1,000 can become a full kilogram. Any other one will be under decimal. That means this is units, 10, 100, 1,000. So I have 5,000 kilograms. If I have 3, 4, 5, 6 grams, what will it be under kilograms? I'll put my place value. My place values, this is unit, tens, 100, 1,000. Only 3 is in 1,000. That means I have 3. But these ones, what am I going to do? In order to write this, I put decimal. To separate, they are no longer whole kilogram. A full kilogram. I put decimal, that is fraction, decimal, 4, 5, 6 kg. That is 3.456 kilogram. 3.456 kilogram. That is how to convert it. Now let's enter addition and subtraction of kilogram. Let's enter into addition and subtraction of weight. This is 500 plus 250 grams. If you can't do, this is called horizontal addition. If you are not conversant with horizontal addition, you try vertical. That is, put them like this. Each of them at their own place value. Put your gram. This plus this, 0. This plus this is 10. And it cannot enter here. You write, bring 10. You write the right one. Carry the left one. Put here. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 6 plus 2 is 8. That means this we have 800 grams. Can we convert this to kilograms? It's not up to kilograms because in place value we have unit, tenth, hundred. None of them is up to thousand. So if I'm to convert it, I will say is 0 point. Why will I put 0? Because none is up to thousand. Then you can put 8. You can add 0 if you like. Remember that 0 is nothing in decimal, unless it comes in front of a number. 0 is nothing. So this thing and this is the same thing. 0 is nothing in decimal, unless it comes in front of a number. You can write it like this, is still correct, or this way. That means we have 0.8 kilogram. Now let's add this. Let's add this. 1 kilogram, 75 grams, plus 3 kilograms, 41 grams. This form can be written like this: 1.75 kilogram plus 3.41 kilogram. Remember, it can be written like this. In addition, I'll put them in vertical format. I have this kg plus 3.41 kg. This plus this, 6. This plus this is 11. We are not going to write 11 here. It's too big. It's only one digit that needs to enter any place value. So I write 11. What will I do? Put this one. Carry this one. Put here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Remember to bring down your decimal. So what we have is 5.16 kilograms. 5.16 kilograms. That is addition. Now let's move forward. What about if we are told to or asked to convert? After addition, we should convert it to gram or kilograms. Example: 3.5 kilograms plus 2.4 kilograms. Convert it after addition or convert it straight. If you want to convert this to grams, remember the place value here is 1000. That is the only one that can enter into kilogram. After 1000, what else? 100. So something is missing. This is 3.5. This will be 1000. 100. There's a place value missing. That is tenths and units. Since we can't see it, we use 0 to represent it. For tenths and units, that means what we have is 3,500 grams. Change this one, convert this to gram, 2.4. Remember, this is 1000. 1000. That means this one will be 100. There's no tenths and no units. What are we going to do? You use 0, 0, because if there's no tenths and there's no units, it won't be correct. You can't just write it like this. Maybe. No, it would, because this is 24. It's not up to 1000. That means there's no kilogram. It's not a kilogram. So you use this 0. Remember what I told you, that 0 is nothing in decimal. That's why they remove the 0 of this. They remove the 0 of this one. But once you are moving to gram, Remember to put the zeros. So what we have here is 2,400 grams. Let's add it. 3,500 plus 2,400. Remember to put grams. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. How did I know? If you can't add straight, you can just use stone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. You count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you see? It's 9. Put it. 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means, look at what I have here. 5,900 grams. 5,900 grams. I believe you can now convert grams to kilograms and kilograms to grams. Remember that we say 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. That is, this must be 1,000. If there is no 100, you use 0. That is what I did here. This is 1,000. There is not 100 here. We will use 0 for 100. Place value. There is no tenth. I use another 0. And there is no unit. Another 0. To make it 1,000. If I have 6.3 kilograms. This will be, you write that 6 and 3. You call the first one that is not in decimal, that's 0.1000. This 6.3 kilograms going to grams will give us 6,300 grams. Do this. Convert this one. Convert kilogram to gram. Kg is kilogram. Try it at home. 3.5 kilogram. Convert it to gram. 6.7 kilograms. And then convert this kilogram to, convert the grams to kilogram. That is 575 kilogram. You convert it 6210 gram. Convert this to kilogram. Why this to gram? And submit it at the website. You can see on the screen. I believe you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you on the same channel, Den of Knowledge. I am still Boniface Samson. Bye.